In this video, I will show you how to fix volume automatically changing on Android. If your phone's volume keeps on increasing or decreasing on its own, one possible cause is the Adapt Sound feature. To check this, open Settings on your device. Now, find the option of Sounds and Vibration, tap on it. Here, look for the option of Sound Quality and Effects. If you have toggled on the option of Adapt Sound, go ahead and toggle this option off. This feature customizes audio based on your hearing profile, and on some devices, it can make the sound seem louder or quieter depending on the selected settings. After disabling it, test your phone and check if the volume stays at the level you set. If the issue continues, you want to restart your phone. Make sure your device is updated to the latest software version, as system updates often fix audio related bugs. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.